Good morning, Buenos Dias, I'm Dia, and today is day 2 of my 28-day fitness challenge. So today we're working back and biceps. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. And let's get into the workout. Alright you guys, we are starting off this workout with a superset. A superset is 2 exercises worked back to back without rest. We are doing rope straight arm pull downs for 12 reps and crossbody hammer curls with a dumbbell for 10 reps. And we're doing that for 4 sets. And of course I had to get a little creative here. My gym doesn't have those thick bands for assisted pull-ups, so we do what we can. We are doing 10 reps of an assisted pull-up for 3 sets. And yes, that's right, we're moving on to another superset. We're doing reverse grip rows with a barbell for 10 reps, then barbell curls for 12 reps. We're doing that for 4 sets. Getting a little tired there, as you can see. So we wiggle. And finally, preacher curls. We're going to do 10 reps of 3 sets. Welcome back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. It was a great back and bicep workout. I am feeling it. Seeing some type of definition, you know, the light, when the lighting's good, you know. But before we go, I'd like to challenge you to comment down below 5 things that you are most grateful for. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a grateful day. Goodbye.